CrowdStrike Review 2025. Is it the best cybersecurity tool? Cybersecurity in 2025 is more critical than ever, but most people get this wrong by focusing on antivirus alone. CrowdStrike is an endpoint protection platform that goes beyond traditional solutions. Step 1. CrowdStrike Falcon deploys lightweight agents across your devices. You won't believe what happens next. It continuously monitors for malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and abnormal behavior in real time. Step 2. AI-driven detection analyzes millions of events, spotting threats before they cause damage. Unlike standard antivirus, CrowdStrike can prevent zero-day attacks and sophisticated breaches. Step 3. Incident response tools allow rapid investigation and remediation, reducing downtime and potential losses. Pricing is subscription-based and scales by device count. The surprising truth is that CrowdStrike's cloud-native approach ensures minimal impact on system performance while maintaining high-level protection. So, is it the best cybersecurity tool? For enterprises or serious small businesses, yes. It's particularly effective for multi-device environments needing proactive threat management.